Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Golden Nanotech. Today I have a Lenovo laptop and this laptop is not working duplicate display. So how can you bring this duplicate display, external display? So guys, okay guys, so first of all you have to check the computer. This PC is display driver is okay. Then first right click in this PC and go to the manage and go to the device manager, and here you can see the display driver is good or no. Is display driver good? If here is the yellow color trend, so you have to update. Just click and update the driver with internet connection. After that, complete all. You just press this, you check your laptop with model and bring like this and go to the duplicate. See the duplicate is working or not working. See, here is the not working the duplicate. So now I will go to the Intel. This is the Intel graphics. So I go to the Intel settings. Okay, and now is open application and go to the display. Here in the display you can see here is only one display. So go to the multi display. Okay, just wait. After go to the multi display, you can see here is the single display. You have to just select here detect. After you detect this display, it will be transfer the multi display. You can see guys, here is automatically just clone display, extender display. You can select external display 1 is primary, display 2 is digital television. So here you can change. Okay, same display. Here is clone, here is the extender display. So you have to set up this extender display. Just click here detect. Okay, and if also not working, go to the general and maybe you resolution change, but this is working. After that you press apply and okay, done. Now finish our settings. Just remove the display cable and put again HDMI. And guys, just wait and see, it's working automatically. I go to the duplicate display and press duplicate display. If not work, go to again settings and detect, it will be work. So I go to set display and I go to the multi display and detect, so it will be work. Or you update the display driver, it will be work also. So thank you guys, please like, share and subscribe my channel for the new video. After that, identify 1, identify 2. See, so here is the now working the extend. So I need duplicate. So here is the duplicate extend. You can use here one display, the other display is just like this. See, this is the extend. So I need not extend, I need the clone. I need the this of duplicate display and go to the duplicate, enter. So it will be make duplicate display here and here. So thank you guys, please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you. So guys, if you have still same problem, always you need to detect it. You go to the Lenovo website and you can download the Intel SD graphics card. Okay, here is the Intel SD graphics card. I check. So after download, install, I hope it will be problem finish. If still same problem, you have to do, just go to the Intel settings and detect it. Go to the multi display and detect it display, it will be work. Now I'm downloading the drivers and check working or not. See, detected. After detected, working the external display. I have to download this display driver, and now I will install and check. It will be working, inshallah. Okay, I agree. Okay guys, my display driver is installed successfully, and now I will check the display cable. HDMI, I press and do not press anything. You can see automatic here change, and the external display will be work now. And I put here duplicate display. So guys, now working, and you can see I remove and plug again, and the display is working. So thank you guys.